Margin means the outer space of an element and padding means the inner space of an element. Hey guys, in this video I am going to discuss around the margin and padding. What is the margin, what is the padding, what is the difference between them? In this video you will understand. Now for this I have taken two containers layout and dragged and dropped one below the other. Now let's understand what happens when you use margin and what happens when you use padding. First of all, let's understand margin means the outer space of an element. Margin means the outer space of an element and padding means the inner space of an element. P means this is the inner space, this is the outer space. Now what we are going to do, if you see, the top and bottom properties are linked. That means if I write something, let's say I'm going to write 10. So what happens? The top and bottom property will take 10 value. Similar way, left and right both will take the same value. Let's say you don't want that, simply click on this and unlink it. So that means right now it is unlinked. So you can define your own specific values. Let's say for this container on the top I want to give a space of, let's say, 20 pixel space I want to give. Now what happened, if you see, immediately it moved down. Let's say I want to put 30. Look at it. So what is happening? From the top it is moving. If you see, let me click outside, you can see it has moved. It has created a space from the top. So the margin means outer space. Okay, for example, from the left side I want to give a space. From the left side, let's say I want to give 20 space. So what happened? Is it moving? Let's say I want to give more space, let's 50. So what is happening? It is moving. If you see, this has moved actually like this. Okay, so it is moving. So you understood the margin. Margins means the outer space. Now let's understand. Let me put it back. Let's say 0 0. Okay, now let's understand what is padding. Now to understand padding, all I will do, I will add a simple button. Now look at this. Padding means inner space, I said. Now let me highlight the container, and in the padding let me unlink it. Okay, there is something 8888 spaces there. Let's say if I am going to put 0 0 0 0 for everything. Okay, now let's see what would happen. So it has gone to the corner. Let's say from the top I want to give some space to the bottom. Let's say, so I want to give some 20 space, 20 pixel space. So what happened? It is moved from top to the bottom, right? From the top. Now from the left side, let's say I want to give some 20 space. So what is happening? It is moving. Do you see? So this is the basic difference between padding. Padding means inner space, margin means outer space. So thank you guys for watching. We are going to come up with more such interesting contents for you, which is basically going to help you improve your fundamentals. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe in case you have not done it already, and please do like the content. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.